Hey, I'm Jimmy Snyder with First Choice HVAC and Plumbing. We're out here on this beautiful day to do an AC maintenance checkup. Let me show you how it's done. So now that we're done with the inside unit, we're moving to the outside. We're gonna break down this unit. We're gonna check the Freon levels. We're gonna check all the components, make sure they're within spec, and we're gonna rinse down all the coils and make sure that this customer is dialed in for the summertime. They should have no issues unless there's a mechanical failure. Hey Josh,
Sure.
why don't skeletons fight each other?
I don't know why.
They don't have the guts. Thanks for coming along today and watching how we do a spring maintenance checkup. If you haven't had yours done recently, we would certainly appreciate your business. Otherwise, find a company near you that works for you and get your unit serviced so you're not out during the summer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.